Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Philips Hue app to set up automations with sensors, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Philips Hue app, first ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, open the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Philips Hue and press search. Look for the official Philips Hue app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its page. Check the app's compatibility with your device to ensure it can be installed. If everything looks good, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open. Tap Open to launch the Philips Hue app for the first time. The app will prompt you to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. Once logged in, the app will guide you through the process of connecting to your Philips Hue bridge. Make sure your Philips Hue bridge is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. The app will search for your bridge automatically. Once found, select your bridge and press Connect. After a successful connection, you can begin to explore the app's features. To set up automations with sensors, navigate to the Automations tab within the app. Here, you can create new routines for your lights based on sensor activity. Follow the prompts to add sensors and define how you want your lights to respond. Customize the automation settings to fit your preferences. Finally, save your settings to activate the automations you've created. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.